Yeah, Yvonne, I want to get you an update on our tornado watch. It has been extended now to include the entire Mid-South. Now, for Memphis and eastern Arkansas, this watch is set to expire at 8 a.m. For everybody east of that, that's most of western Tennessee, most of northern Mississippi, the watch technically goes until 1 p.m., but it is likely going to be canceled well before that because any threat for severe weather is going to come to an end in Memphis by 8 or 8:30, and it's going to come to an end for our entire area no later than 10 a.m. So I do not expect any threat of severe weather across the area after 10 a.m. Now, we are seeing some heavy rain and some gusty winds, even some rumbles of thunder out there this morning. But for right now, we don't have any warnings in effect. There are no storms that are overly concerning to me. And to be honest with you, I'm not that impressed with this storm system. That's good news because as this line moves east, I'm not very confident that a threat for severe weather is going to continue. It's certainly possible, and we do have that watch that's in effect, but I am impressed by what I'm seeing now that we don't have any warnings in effect, and I don't expect that to be a widespread concern through the morning. Now, we are seeing the heavy rain. We are seeing the gusty winds. It's just not severe right now. That heavy rain coming into West Memphis, that line is going to be coming through the city of Memphis over the next 30 to 45 minutes. So if you're going to be driving in the 7 a.m. hour, definitely expect some heavy rain in Memphis and down into DeSoto County. This little line right here, that's pretty much the end of our severe weather threat. That's going to continue to move to the east. Like I said, it's going to be done in Memphis by 8 a.m. and it's going to be clear of the entire area by 10 a.m. One big concern we are having is the heavy rain. In fact, we've already seen almost an inch of rain in the last 24 hours, 2 inches of rain in West Memphis, and we've got more rain coming in. So a flash flood warning is in effect through 9:15. We're already seeing some flooded underpasses. Those areas that typically flood, they're probably going to be flooded this morning. So avoid those and definitely slow it down while you're driving in. Other areas, mainly north of I-40, have seen close to 2 inches of rain in the last day. Again, we've got storms this morning. They're going to be gone by 10 a.m. So the rest of the day will be dry and cloudy. It's also going to be cooler this afternoon. Temperatures going to be into the 50s as those storms move out of the area. Here's what that looks like on the hour-by-hour radar. It's picking up that last line of storms I was talking about. It puts it through Memphis by around 7 a.m. So again, by 8 a.m., the heaviest of the storms are going to be done in Memphis. They'll still be moving through Selmer and Corinth through about 9 a.m. But again, by 10 a.m., the radar is going to be looking like this, with the worst of the weather having come to an end. Could see some sprinkles through the rest of the afternoon, but the heavy rain is going to be completely done by 10 a.m. Now, interestingly enough, once the storms move out, the winds are actually going to increase. So it's looking likely that we're actually going to see the strongest winds after the storms move out. We've got a high wind warning in effect. It's been a few years since we've been in one of those. Through about 8 a.m. through, let's say, lunchtime, we could see wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour after the storms move out. So you got to keep both hands on the wheel today, secure anything that could blow around because these winds are going to be very breezy through at least sunset. This is probably the breeziest day we've had here in at least the last couple of years. Tonight, the winds will calm down. It's going to be a cool one though. Temperatures in the 40s with clearing skies. A really nice weekend coming up. I personally am really looking forward to relaxing. Sunshine Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures in the 60s to around 70. We're going to be in the 70s to start off next week. Cooler, though, by Wednesday and Thursday, back to the 50s and 60s with some chances for rain coming in Wednesday and Thursday by the middle of next week.